म्यूट कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, अब आवाज कैसे आएगी?
बोलने दो उनको।
अच्छा, अभी मैंने बोला नहीं।
मम्मा ये सिखाएंगे
नहीं, अभी आएगी। हेलो करो।
हेलो
Hello. Hi. Thank you for joining. Ajay, please unmute. I'm not able to hear them.
They have to unmute themselves. Okay, let's start recording about the sleeping.
आवाज तेज पे नहीं आ रही?
रुकती आएगी।
हाँ,
ये पीहू भी है।
पीयू गुप्ता, श्रेया खंडेलवाल,
मैं भी हूँ।
अर्नव खंडेलवाल।
और कोई नहीं।
आप सब रेडी हैं अटेंड करने के लिए? आपको जेंटेंगल आर्ट के लिए आप लोगों ने पेन पेपर सब रेडी कर रखे हैं ना? यू हैव टू ड्रॉ विथ ख्याति। जब ख्याति आपको सिखाएगी तो आप लोगों को ड्रॉ करना है ना?
आवाज तो आ रही है।
आर्मी फोन में कमी आती है।
ऐसा
मेरी फ्रेंड की जो लग रही है तुमसे।
बाकी ये तो सही है ना?
मम्मा आवाज नहीं आ रही।
देखो इधर सिखाएंगे।
Start the video, that video.
दीदी ने सिखा दिया अभी।
अच्छा, चाहिए आपको?
Namaskar, Adab, Sat Shri Akal, and a very good afternoon to all the parents, kids, ladies and gentlemen. मैं भावना यादव आज की आपकी होस्ट आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ किड्स टीचिंग किड्स ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय अस्मिति एकेडमी। अस्मिति एकेडमी में हमने कल किड्स टीचिंग किड्स का सबसे पहला सेशन किया और मैं इस प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत करने से पहले आप सभी व्यूअर्स को थैंक यू करना चाहती हूँ हमारे प्रोग्राम के साथ कनेक्ट होने के लिए, बच्चों का मनोबल बढ़ाने के लिए और आपके इतने सारे फीडबैक्स जो हमें मिले जिनसे हमें और आगे काम करने की प्रेरणा मिल रही है। आज के हमारे जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, मैं कहूंगी हमारे जो स्टार किड्स हैं, वो पिंक सिटी से हैं। दोनों ही हमारे स्टार किड्स पिंक सिटी से हैं। वो कहते हैं कि दिल में विश्वास पैदा करता है, हम सब में कुछ आस पैदा करता है। मिट्टी की तो बात ही अलग है, ईश्वर तो पत्थरों में भी घास पैदा करता है। हमने अपने कल के प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत सरस्वती वंदना से की थी, जो कि हमारी भारतीय परंपरा में बहुत ही खूबसूरत अंग है। अपने इस इवेंट की शुरुआत भी मैं सरस्वती वंदना से करना चाहूंगी। आप सभी जो भी अपना वीडियो ऑन करना चाहते हैं ना करें। मैं इस प्रेयर को धीरे धीरे बोलूंगी, आप कोशिश करें मेरे साथ बोलने की। प्लीज जॉइन योर हैंड्स। जो अपने कर कमलों में घंटा, शूल, चक्र और बाण धारण करती है, कुंद के समान जिसकी मनोहर कांति है, वाणी बीज जिसका स्वरूप है, तथा जो सच्चिदानंद विग्रह से संपन्न है, उन भगवती मां सरस्वती का मैं ध्यान करती हूँ। थैंक यू मां। तो आइए हम सब मिलके इस इवेंट की शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले मैं अपने स्टार किड्स का इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहूंगी। जो हमारे साथ पहले जुड़ेंगे वो है अर्नव खंडेलवाल। ये 15 साल के हैं और गिटार इनकी हॉबी है। ही इज अ गिटारिस्ट। इससे पहले कि मैं उनकी ओर चलूं, थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक के बारे में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करती हूँ। हम सभी जानते हैं म्यूजिक एक ऐसी कला है जो हमारे जीवन में हमें बहुत स्ट्रेस रिलीफ करती है, हमें रिलैक्स करती है। म्यूजिक के बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स होते हैं, हर कोई अपने अपने पसंदीदा फॉर्म्स में झूम उठता है। आज हम अर्नव के साथ उनके पसंदीदा म्यूजिक के फॉर्म में झूमेंगे। गिटार ना सिर्फ हमें रिलैक्स करता है बल्कि हमें सोशल बेनिफिट्स भी देता है। एंड आई एम श्योर कि अर्नव सबके फेवरेट होंगे, क्योंकि जब भी माहौल थोड़ा टेंस होता होगा, अर्नव अपने गिटार से उसे खुशनुमा बना देते होंगे। तो चलिए ज्यादा समय ना लगाते हुए बढ़ते हैं अर्नव की तरफ। अर्नव, यू आर रेडी?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then all over to you.
My name is Arnav Khandelwal and I am going to teach you some basics about the guitar and some intro about guitar. So let's start. So I will first start the intro of the guitar and about the body parts of the guitar. Okay. So I am sharing something. So you can see this. This is a sound hole. Okay. And these are 6 strings. We will always count the strings from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are 6 strings, and Now, second part, this is bridge. This is used for keeping our hand to get a support. Okay. And this is a headstock. From here to here, this is known as headstock. And these keys are known as tuning keys. Okay. And these tuning keys are used for tuning the guitar before playing it, as it is the most important part of the guitar. And this is the neck of the guitar from here, from this white part to sound hole. This is known as neck of the guitar. Okay. And this board, which you can see having dots and lines, is known as fretboard. Okay. And these are known as frets. First fret, second fret, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. You can see this is the first fret, first part till the line. From here to here, this line, this is known as first fret. From this to this, second, and as go so on. Okay. Okay. Then these white dots, as you can see here, are known as markers. These markers are present on the odd parts of odd frets. The odd frets means third, fifth, seventh, ninth, and only on 12th. This is an even fret which has two dots, 1 and 2. Otherwise, it is present only on the even odd dots. Okay. So now let's start with the strings again. So the first string, as I told you, is known as E, then B, then G, then D, then A, then again E. So first is known as E, second is known as B, third is known as G, fourth is known as D, fifth is known as A, and sixth is again known as E. So first and sixth E, and we will always count the strings from bottom. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay. And this, as you can see, this is known as pick. Okay. This is a pick. It is used to play guitar. Okay. This is used to play guitar. We can play guitar in many forms, but the basic two forms are known as chords and leading. Chords is somewhat like this. Okay, and the leading is somewhat like this, that I started with. ठीक है, तो अपन स्टार्ट करेंगे लीडिंग पार्ट से और उसकी एक्सरसाइज से. तो अपन पिक को लीडिंग के लिए पकड़ते हैं कुछ इस तरह से, फिस्ट बनाते हैं, फिस्ट में पिक ऐसे रख के फिर थंब क्लोज करते हैं. सो मैं फिर से बताता हूँ. फर्स्ट फिस्ट, then making the thumbs up and putting the pick here, and then this. So it will be this part of the hand will be kept on this bridge, which I told you earlier, this here and this here. So we will start with leading part, which is easy. So you will always remember to keep the pick like this, and the movement of the pick will not be down, down, down. It will be never like this, and never be up, up, up. It will be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Now the position of hand here. The position of hand will be the four fingers will be here, and one thumb will be here, and the main focus will be on this thumb. Okay. This thumb will never be like this. ये कभी इतना दूर भी नहीं रहेगा, ना ही कभी इतना चिपका रहेगा. ये बस से बीच में ऐसे लटका रहेगा, जिससे अपने हाथ के यहाँ बीच में एक स्पेस रहेगी, जिससे अपने हैंड मूवमेंट में इजी रहेगा. ओके. सो द फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिस, व्हिच इज फर्स्ट स्टेप, keep the pick like this, put your hand like this, and now like this. First exercise. This is first, second, third, fourth, and fifth fret. Okay. From here, so it will like this. Now again I will tell you about this fretboard part that I forgot. So this is the first fret, and this is the E string. First string is known as E, and this is the first fret. So it will be like this: E, and this is 1. So this part is known as E1. Then we will go up. Then this is second string is B. Then it is B1. Then B. Then so on. Okay. So it will be E5, E6, E7, and E8. So the first practice will go like this. Okay. So now we will go up. And again up. So this is the most important practice for the leading part. Second practice, it will be, when the first practice it was 1, 1, 1, 1. In this it will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now slowly we will go up and then down, back down. So with first exercise. Again. Okay, in the second exercise it will be okay, and now the third practice, it will be in the first string, that is E. It will be completely on this. So it will be now first. Now I will tell you. And so on. Okay. Now there are some effective parts of the leading which makes our song better. Good. Like first we will go with slide. So I'll tell you, this is the first fret and this is the fifth fret. Okay. Okay. So it will be first to fifth fret we will slide. So sliding will be from, okay, we will slide a finger from first to fifth. It will be like this. Okay, so there it will. Then second part is sliding back. It will be, we were sliding front, which was this. Sliding back is, so two types of slides are. Okay, and so second part, it is known as hammer on. Like we hammer, if we hammer on anything, we will hammer like this. We'll push or press it like this. So hammer on will be, we will put our first finger on fifth and hammer. Then hammer third finger, then fourth finger. Okay, and the reverse of hammer on is pull off. The pull off will be like this. We hammer on like this, so pull off होगा ऐसे. अगर hammer on ऐसे तो pull off ऐसे. ठीक है? तो इसकी एक्सरसाइज होती है एक hammer on की. हैमर ऑन पुल ऑफ दोनों साथ में होगी इस एक्सरसाइज में, जैसे आप देख रहे हो। ओके, सो ये ऐसे ही होगा। और अपनी जो अपन इस एक्सरसाइज को भी थोड़ा सा और लेते हैं। सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस। फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, okay, second exercise was okay, third exercise was and some points that is to be remembered that are the most important points are, we will put our hand like this and the fingers and the thumb will be like this. It will not stick like this and it will be not far like this and it will not be touched. So it will be just leaning on it, and there will be space between it. Okay. And second, the pick will be like this and then this. So in the leading, we will first start with the Saregama-pa. So in the Saregama, we will use the 3 strings: first, second, and third. First, second, and third. So we will put our hand like put our hand here, and the first, this is the first, this is second finger, this is third, and this is fourth finger. Okay. So the first finger will be on third string, E, B, and G. G string on the 5th fret. It will be here. Then we will take our first, second, third string. It will be here. Okay. Then again, on the second string, then we will go on the second string. Second string, 5th fret, and the first finger, second finger, fourth finger. Then first finger, third, and fourth finger. So it will be like this. Now we will go back. So going back will be like this. So first finger on the E5, not E, B, G, G5, then G7, then B5, E6, D8, E5, E9, and E10, E8. So it will be okay. Now we will move further, and the next exercise that will be like this. It will be mixing. It will be the mix of both. And one more factor that I want to tell you this is bar. This is known as bar, which is it is applied like this. If we want to go from B5 to E5, most of them get most of the people get difficult to move like this, so it will, so we can apply bar, so it will be like this. Okay, so it will be helpful in our Saregama part. So I applied the bar from this to this, like this. So this was about the leading part. Now we will go on the chords part. Okay. So in the chords we will keep our pick in a different manner, which will be taking 2 fingers and keeping it like this. Okay. And the movement of our hand will be, the hand should not move like this or not like this. It should be in a proper manner. Okay, so the first chords is known as E minor. So E minor will be on the 5th and 4th string. In our 5th and 4th string, we will use our 2 fingers, the 2nd and 3rd finger, and the 2nd finger will be on the 5th string, and 3rd finger will be on the 4th string on the 2nd fret. This is 2nd fret. Okay, so it will be, so our hand movement will be, and this will be go like this. We will first do 1, 2, 3, 4. We will first mute it like this and do our hand practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And after this we will go to here, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. In 1, 2 part we will press it, and 3, 4 it will be released. So it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be like this. Now the second chord, we will that is E major. In the E minor, we will keep our 2 fingers here, and the E major we will take our 1st finger back, and will be kept on the 3rd string, on the first fret, 3rd string. Here the 3rd string, and this is the 1st fret. It will be kept here, so it will be like this. So it will be it will also go like this. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. In 1st, 2nd crashed, in 3rd, 4th released. So we will play both E minor and E major together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, change. In the last part, we will play like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And in change, we will not play 3, 4 and keep and one thing to note is that we will never stop our hand while changing. The hand will be moving like this continuously, and we will go like this. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, change. Okay, so that all was for today class. Thank you.
Thank you, Anna. Wonderfully explained. And I hope this will be very beneficial for all the guitar aspirants. जो भी गिटार सीखना चाहता है उसके लिए बहुत ही अच्छी टिप्स दी हैं आपने. But एक छोटी सी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है और हमारे सभी व्यूअर की होगा. Okay, Anna, please play for us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anna. Thanks a lot. A big round of applause for you. Thank you, Anna. तो इतनी अच्छी शुरुआत के बाद, एक म्यूजिकल शुरुआत के बाद, मूव टुवर्ड्स ख्याति गुप्ता, जो हमारे साथ ज़ेंटेंगल आर्ट के बारे में शेयर करेंगी. ज़ेंटेंगल आर्ट मैं समझती हूँ कि हम में से बहुत सारे बच्चों को ये पता होगा, बट एडल्ट्स को कितना पता है, आई डोंट नो. ज़ेंटेंगल आर्ट एक सेल्फ हेल्प आर्ट थेरेपी होती है, जिसमें हम अपना फोकस, अपनी कंसंट्रेशन एनहांस कर सकते हैं. ज़ेंटेंगल आर्ट में हम पैटर्न्स को यूज करके एक ब्यूटीफुल सा स्ट्रक्चर्ड डिजाइन बनाते हैं, और वही ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइन हमारे साथ जो शेयर करने वाली हैं ख्याति गुप्ता पिंक सिटी से. तो लेट्स ऑल वेलकम ख्याति गुप्ता. वेलकम ख्याति, प्लीज टेक इट ओवर.
Hello friends, my name is Khyati Gupta and I'm in class 7. Today I will teach you Zentangle art. So you only need a sheet and a permanent marker. Here are some of the drawings that I have made. This is a turtle. Then this is a pot. Then this is a girl, and on her dress I have done this Zentangle art. Then this is a colorful Zentangle painting. Then this is an owl. And in this, I have written my name and then done this Zentangle art all over it. So our first drawing is also this. So for this, you have to write your name. So I'm also writing my name. You can write in any style. I'm writing it double. Like this, I have written my name. Now we will give a border to it. I'm giving a curvy border to it, like this. So like this, I've done the border. Now we will divide it in small parts. I'm dividing it in a curvy way. You can give it any shape, any size, like this. You have to divide it in the whole page.
लग रही है रुद्र, लग रही है, बहुत जोर की लग रही है।
Like this, you have to divide it. So I have done. Now we'll start. Yeah, I've done. Now we'll start up with the designs. So our first design is the flower pattern. Like this. You have to draw flowers. See, like this. I've drawn the flowers. And if you're not sure, you can do it with a pencil and then outline with the marker. And now fill it.
हाँ
दीदी वापस रिपीट कर दो।
You have to write your name and then divide it in small parts. And now I'm doing the first design. That is the flower. And then I'm doing it. I'm filling it.
Ma'am, you have written your name with a black pen.
Yes, black pen or marker, any. See, I've done the flower pattern. Now we are doing the second pattern. So for that, you have to make some triangles. If you wish, you can do it with scale. It will be more simple and neat. See, like this triangles. See, I've drawn the triangles, and now in the front side you have to again do it like this, like this. You have to double the triangle and then fill the last triangle.
Excuse me, can we do our own design?
Yes. So see, I've done the second pattern also, the triangle. Okay, now we come to the third pattern. You have to make a curve and then decorate it and make a dot. See, like this. Like this. You have to do this design on the whole part. This. Like this. I've done this design also. Okay, so now I've done the three patterns. Like this, I've done the three patterns. Now, now if you like, You can repeat these three, like 1, 2, 3, then again these three. Or if you like, you can make another designs. Okay. Like this, when you complete, it will look like this. Okay. Now we come to the second, that is an owl. This, we are going to make this. Okay. For this, first of all, we are going to make the owl's body. Now we'll make the feathers.
Can you make the ears again?
What?
Can you show me how to make the ears again?
Ears.
Yep.
See, like this. See.
Thank you.
Welcome. Now we'll make the toes. And a branch on his toes. Okay, like this. Now we will make the eyes. And now the neck. So here the outline of the owl. Now we'll do these entangled on this. You have to do this. Okay, now we'll draw the eyes. And then darken the remaining part like this. like this. I've drawn the eyes. And same way you can do the another eyes also like this. Now on the outer line of the eye, you have to make some triangles, small triangles. See, like this. And in the other eye also like this, similar way. See. Okay. Now on the forehead we are going to make like this curve, another curve, then darken the inner curve, and then like this small curves. See, like this. We are going to do on the forehead. You can see like this. You have to do. You can do the remaining part like this. Now on this line,
And this.
we are going to make some linings like this.
Stop, I done this. Stop, I not done.
Now
Stop, done.
the neck, we are going to make triangles. And then darken the upper triangles. See, like this. We have to do this on the neck.
Stop, Chatya, I not done.
See, like this, I have done the neck. Okay. Now we will do the feathers. So you have to divide like this in the feathers. Now we will fill the design in this. So on the both feathers, you have to do like this. Okay. Now this art, in this we are going to make this design. This. That I have told you earlier also this design. So this design we are going to make here. Till the branch you have to do this. Okay. Now in the face and in the whole body, you have to make small circles. Like this. Okay. So in the whole body, you have to do like this. Remaining part.
माइक्रोफोन कैसे है भाई?
छोटा सा गोला कैसे बनाऊं इस क्लास में?
अब कैसे बनाओगे ब्लैक पेन का?
So like this, making small circles, you can complete the whole drawing. And when you have completed, it will look like this. Thank you.
Wow, wonderful, Kathy. Thank you so much. बहुत ब्रिलियंटली आपने एक्सप्लेन करा और बहुत सारे बच्चों ने आपके साथ बनाया है. इट वाज वेरी इंटरैक्टिव सेशन. थैंक यू सो मच. जिन जिन बच्चों ने ख्याति के साथ बनाया है, प्लीज अपना वीडियो ऑन करके दिखाएं हमें. शो प्लीज, ऑल द किड्स शो अप. यस कृति. ग्रेट. वाओ, fantastic. Lavanya, great. Pihu, yours? Where is yours? Divisha, Shilpi, wow, great. Shilpi, yours is beautiful. Hey, wonderful. So many kids did it. So Kathy, you are excited? See, many children learn with you. Yes?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Keep learning. You can ask your questions if you have from Kathy. Otherwise, let me conclude the session by a saying from John Milton. John Milton ने कहा है, every cloud has a silver lining. इस difficult time में जहाँ पे हम सब लोग अपने friends, अपनी family, अपने निकटतम लोगों के साथ मिल नहीं पा रहे हैं, वहीं पे ये बच्चे अपने डिफरेंट टैलेंट्स के साथ हमें हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ सिखा रहे हैं. तो अस्मिति एकेडमी का ये छोटा सा प्रयास है कि ये सिल्वर लाइनिंग हमेशा लर्निंग्स के थ्रू जगमगाती रहे. Thank you so much, Arnav, and thank you so much, Khyati, for joining with us, and all the participants. Thank you so much. Please give us the feedbacks. It encourages us to make us better and better. Thank you. And I will ask our team members, Rohit ji, Chetna ji, and Ajay ji, to please give some appreciation remarks to our children. Ajay is a very beautiful poem writer, so I will ask him to read out a few lines for our kids.
दोनों बच्चों के लिए। कोई अपनी कलम से चित्रकारी बना ख्याति बटोरती, कोई अपनी उंगलियों से धुन छेड़ अर्णव में लहर जगाता। उम्र का भेद मिटा अर्णव व ख्याति की कक्षा में सीख रहे सभी। थैंक यू बच्चों। सिर्फ बच्चों ने नहीं, हम सब ने भी बहुत कुछ सीखा तुमसे। थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Yes, yes, yes.
And yeah, Rohit Gya here. And it's seriously, Arnav and Khyati, you are incredible kids. Frankly speaking, it's great learning. And the best part is that you brought your passion here. बहुत मुश्किल होता है यार, हम जब आपकी एज में थे तो हम तो इतना कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते थे यार. So you have enough confidence that you are playing all this in front of all the kids, and all the kids who are part of this session. I really say thank you and best of luck, all of you. You all are significant and very talented kids. Thank you, DYS, and thank you, KTK. Thank you. Thank you, Bhavna ji. Thank you, Chetna ji.
हेलो अर्नव एंड ख्याति, वेरी गुड. आज बहुत मजा आया सब देख के. अर्नव ने तो बहुत अच्छी ट्यून बजाई DDLJ की. पुराने दिन याद आ गए हमें. और ख्याति ने इतना अच्छा बनाया. सब आज तो सब सब ट्राई कर रहे थे उसके साथ ही. बहुत मजा आया ख्याति. थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू ऑल द किड्स ऑल्सो. सब फॉलो कर रहे थे उसको. बहुत मजा आया आज. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच.
Okay, that's the wonderful day. Thank you, everyone. Before logging out, let me remind you that we have another exciting session at 5 p.m. जो है अग्निहोत्रा के ऊपर. अग्निहोत्रा बहुत ही सिग्निफिकेंट होमा मेथड है जिसको करने से हम अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव चेंजेस ला सकते हैं. प्लीज हमारे साथ जुड़िए और हमारे एक्सपर्ट के साथ सीखिए, उनसे जानिए इसके बेनिफिट्स. I will ask every one of you to please join in at 5 p.m. today. Thank you so much. It was a lovely session. Thanks once again to Khyati and Arnav. Bye.
Bye.